Hi everyone, I'm just going to quickly show you how to create Harmonize assignments, discussion posts, group annotations, what have you, so that they also show up in your Canvas gradebook and you can use the SpeedGrader. So one mistake people make, and I made this mistake too, okay? Very common mistake, is you might come over here and do plus external tool and try to add it directly, or not external tool, scroll down to Harmonize. And this feels right. It feels like, oh, I'm just going to add this tool directly. And let me do discussion, create new, how to take over the world. Create. And there it is. And it looks right, except for one problem. Like, students can type into this, no issue. The problem is when you click on this, because you haven't added it as an assignment, it just is, it's the integrated program, but there's no way for you to alter the dates over here or view it in the SpeedGrader or change the assignment date because it's been added as an outside link, okay? So that is not what you want to do. And if you've already done this, you can just copy and paste your instructions into the correct way to do it. And here's how you do this. Plus, and instead of just doing the external tool, hit plus assignment, okay? We're going to make a new assignment. How to really take over the world. We're happy because we're taking over the world. And now I'm going to click on this. Okay, and this is going to bring us to your regular assignment screen. Hit edit. Come down here, you do your points. Bam, bam, bam. Change your category if you need to do that. And then you do submission type external tool, okay? And make sure you do not check this, load this tool in a new tab, or else the students will have to go outside of Canvas to respond, and that's not what you want at all. So we did external tool, we got this, and now we're gonna hit find. Now we're gonna scroll down to Harmonize assignment. And it's gonna have the graded types, right, that show up, that you can actually grade: the poll, PDF, annotation, and discussion. Right now, this may change in the future. And select, there it is, and now I'm going to do this. Save and publish. Okay, and here we go. And then you can just come here, type your instructions, edit the dates, right, and do all the other things that wonderful things you can do with this program. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to send us an email.